Every dream of wealth starts with a small step, but many hesitate thinking complexity or large investments are prerequisites. In reality, the journey towards making money online begins at a humble level, with the potential to earn between $10 and $100 a day. This modest income can be a gateway to more significant ventures, transforming your financial landscape without requiring significant funds or advanced degrees. The key to success in this online world lies in simplicity and consistency. First, explore microtask platforms like Clickworker or Amazon Mechanical Turk, which pay you for completing basic tasks. Consider using cashback apps, allowing you to earn while shopping for necessities. Moreover, affiliate marketing can amplify these earnings, giving you commissions for products sold through your recommendations. Dedicating just a few hours each day can accumulate $300 to $500 by the end of the month, a substantial amount to fuel your future business aspirations. With this initial income, remember that your growing financial resources serve as a startup fund. It's vital to enhance your knowledge during this stage, focusing on saving a significant portion of your earnings. Use free resources like YouTube for Shopify tutorials and delve into product research on platforms like AliExpress or Spocket. By prioritizing your education and saving 70–80% of your revenue, you naturally set the foundation for your store setup and marketing budget. Once you've accumulated the necessary funds, it's time to bring your entrepreneurial vision to life by building your first dropshipping store. Sign up for a free Shopify trial, carefully selecting a niche that resonates with you, be it fitness, home decor, or pet supplies. Leveraging tools like DSers or Spocket ensures seamless connections with suppliers while allowing you to curate your product offerings. Aim for a clean and intuitive store design, as this enhances user experience and fosters trust. Start by listing 10 to 15 chosen products and hitting that launch button. This marks your inaugural step into the business realm. However, a store is only as good as its customer base. Pushing forward, explore free marketing avenues by creating engaging content for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram, showcasing your products visually. Share links in relevant Facebook groups or Pinterest boards, tapping into organic traffic sources. For those looking to expand reach further, consider small ad placements with a minimal budget to assess what resonates best. This initial focus on outreach will lead to pivotal sales, marking the commencement of a rewarding online business journey.